Good morning, class 6. Today we have learned your chapter number 6, that is the changes around us. All of you have know that everything undergoes a change. Changes are taking place around us all the time, and the changes is a continuous process. In the other way, we can say that the change is a rule of a nature. Some common changes taking place around us are: first one is the changes in a color. The sky is a blue during the day and the sky is dark at the night. And the second one is the changes in a shape. The visible shape of the moon changes from day to day, and it changes from certain to half and half to full, and again is reverse. And the third one is the change in position. We can say that the sun rising in the east and setting in the west, and the earth is spinning around its axis all the time, making day and night. And the fourth one is the changes in season. Here the earth revolving around the sun on the tilt axis. This brings about the different seasons. Examples are spring, summer, autumn, and the winter. And the next, change in the temperature. Hot or cold, it is warm during the day and it is cold at the night. And sixth one is the changes in a size. We can say that in example of a seed germination into a spelling grow into a small plant, and the small plant grow into the trees, and the plants bear flowers, fruit, seeds. And some is true about the animals from baby to adults. And last topic is the change in the states or forms. We can see in a solid form, just example of ice, they are changing into a liquid is a change in a state or a form. Similarly, water evaporates to the form water vapor, and moisture present in the air is water vapor. Water boils to form steam, and liquid water changing to the steam or water vapor is a change in the state of form. And the vapor may cool to change its form water, and the further cooling water freeze to from the ice. This is also change in the state of forms. There are three types of the matter. First one is the solid, second one is the liquid, and the third one is the gas. Okay class, today I have bent your session here, and today's your question is: give one word for the followings: ice dash to form water, second water dash to form water vapor, third water vapor dash to form water, and the fourth one is the water dash to form ice, and the last one is the sugar is dash in water. And today I have banned your session here, and we have meet in our next session. Then thank you class, and have a nice day.